Thank you very much for providing us this amplifier by Sheikh Babar from Islamabad. So today we have the Marantz 1250 model. This is a vintage model. This iconic amplifier showcases a brushed aluminum front panel built to last with precision engineered control knobs for volume balance and tone. The vintage dual VU meters calibrated for peak power output provide real-time feedback, handling up to 125 watts per channel at 8 ohms. Check out the low noise phono stage designed for pristine vinyl playback. Now this features a dual mono design circuit. It boasts excellent channel separation for high fidelity stereo playback. And over here are the vents. Let's move on to the rear side of the amplifier and see what we have. Here is the breakdown of the rear parallel terminals. We have the RC input jacks for phono tuner auxiliary tape 1 and tape 2. We have the pre-out and main in jacks, and then we have the speaker and the grounding terminals. The phono is dedicated input for connecting turntables, supports both MM and MC cartridges, and the tape inputs are for connecting tape decks or the recording devices with monitoring capability for real-time listening. Let's move on to the inside of the amplifier. And in the heart of this amp lies this dual mono amplified design, which ensures optimal channel separation. Now there's a transformer over here. Independent power supplies that reduce the interference and deliver continuous output at 125 watts per channel. And you can see the output transistors over here mounted on heat sinks to keep the amp running cool during extended use. These heat sinks ensure the amplifier thermal stability, preventing overheating even at full power. These are the fuses over here. You can see 3 fuses are installed, and this is the other side of the amp. Same setup is over here as well. Additionally, the internal wiring is arranged so that the short signal paths minimize signal degradation and maintain audio purity. The phono stage inside is specially designed for low noise performance and handling sensitive analog signals from vinyl sources with clarity. And that's what's on the inside. I'll be back with another amplifier soon, and if you need further details on any of these amplifiers I posted, please do let me know. Then I can make a detailed video on the internal things inside the amplifier, for example the capacitors, or I can open them up and show you what's inside, how the transistors work and all that. So if you like this channel, do press subscribe and like. I could really use some of that. Thank you very much. Till next time, take care, have a good day.